So yeah, apparently we're going to Walmart for some fucking reason. They all missed it. But dude, check this out. Tanner got himself an R7. I don't think I've actually ridden with Tanner before. I don't know that I have actually. At least not in a video. If I have, it for sure wasn't in a video. Oh damn, that thing sounds gnarly. This thing sounds gnarly. Look at that cruiser, brother. That cruiser, brother. Brother. Yeah, we're literally just going to Walmart, so it's like 2 seconds. Oh, wait, what? Okay, we're turning, apparently. Okay, I don't know where we're going. Are we going, is this another way to Walmart? Oh wait, I think I know where this goes. Oh, it is another way to Walmart. We're going here. What are you, brother? My brother in Christ, what are you doing? Your Walmart's right there. My brother in Christ, what are you doing? Where are we going? Like, brother, what? Where? I have no idea where we're going. Why are we coming in on this side? Okay, this is an interesting way to go.
I don't know if you guys know, but I'm not trying to walk this backwards. I can't reach.
That's fine. Walk it forwards.
It's okay, your bike can protect mine this time.
Yeah.
This must be what it feels like to be tall.
You're as tall as I am.
Nah. You're a little bit taller.
Maybe a little bit.
Not according to the camera, but if only they could see what I'm doing right now. But there is no face on the channel. I am just a Shoei helmet. Ooh, fishing rods. I want to go fishing.
Oh, we got a baby wheelie. Ah, it's so bright out. Oh my gosh, now it's so dark. Visa is killing. Got another 650 brother out here. So yeah, I don't even really know what we're doing at this point. I mean, we're going to go get food. I know that. I don't really know what we're doing afterwards though. Sorry in advance for the wind noise that you guys are receiving. And that was a short ride. I could leave the whole clip in and still be good for YouTube. Woo! Okay, food time. I don't even know where we're going at this point. Apparently now we're riding out to Kendall Yards. Slept my balls a little bit on that one. I did that.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm gonna let them leave. Yeah, I have no idea where we're going. I'm just kind of following these guys at this point. What's going on? What is everybody doing? Oh, it's that Skyline again. It's that Skyline again. What up, dude? What up?
You need to choose a speed.
Huh?
Stop speeding up to slow down.
Okay. I'm just trying to keep with the group.
Uber. I'm like, we're not going, and all of a sudden you're like, whoa, what the fuck?
Oh, it's Beethoven. Look at him. It's Beethoven. Nice to meet you, Beethoven. Which way are we going? Are we going up to the South Hill or something? I don't even know at this point. Are we turning? Are we going straight? We're going straight. Okay, apparently we're going straight. I haven't been commentating that much because I don't really know what the fuck we're doing. It's like we're kind of just riding around, being dumb fucks. No idea what the fuck is going on. There's a couple bikes right here. Ooh, the Beamer. No, it's a Yamaha. Oh, it's a Tracer. Look, I got a Suron. Oh, look at him go. Look at him going at a little Suron. We've been seeing a lot of Surons out today. Okay, why the hell does my leg feel so hot? That's kind of weird, not gonna lie. At this point, I think I just need to make this video a wheelie compilation because I'm just doing wheelies. That's all I'm doing. Is that a Popo truck? That's a Popo truck. Is that a Popo truck? That is a Popo truck. Oh, it's a Park Ranger. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I thought it was a Popo truck, but it is a Park Ranger. It is the Ranger, everybody. Nobody gives a shit about the Ranger. All he does is range shit. He's in a Ranger. I'm so hilarious. I'm gonna kill myself. Let's see. Where are we going up here? Where are we going? What are we doing? Utility work ahead? Fuck your utility work. Is that a giant dildo? That almost looks like a giant dildo. Or no, not a dildo, a butt plug. That's what it would be. If it was me, I would have just passed in the middle lane. Even though technically you're not supposed to. I would have. I would have done it. Because I'm a bad boy. I'm a bad boy like that. Yeah. Do burnout!
Smoke coming out the back.
Oh, the smell of catless exhaust. I love it. Get these tires really warming up now. Look at that. Where are they at? There's already a car right here. I got so fast. Hey everybody. Gosh, I slammed my balls right there.
That last curve.
Oh, you did?
I did, so.
Nice.
I would save money on gas riding that thing. No.
Talk about for your bike?
Yeah.
No.
I filled up yesterday and I'm already at 3 bars.
How many bars does it have?
6.
I mean, it's still pretty good. I mean, how much have you been riding it?
What?
How much have you been riding it?
I mean, I already rode out to Parker today.
I mean, you've been riding it a good amount. You want to go use this pump? Dylan, you want to use this pump?
I got gas at Maverick.
Okay, gotcha.